Alright, good morning, Internet. Whoa, little slippy slip. Alright, good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Actually, happy Monday. Hope everybody had a really good Thanksgiving. I know I did, man. I spent it out in the desert with my friends and family. Did some motorcycle stuff. You know the drill. And this video is going to be way different than you're used to. That's okay. We're going to change it up a little bit. Henry Haddad, longtime channel sponsor and friend. Him and David came out. They want to go ride motorcycles. You know, they're not all that comfortable on motorcycle. It's something in their future. They're really looking to get into it. They see how much fun we're having on this channel and they want a piece. Long story short, they came out, have literally almost no experience on a motorcycle whatsoever. And I set them up, man. I put them on my old GSXR shitbox and the old Triumph right here. And we set them free, man. We took them out in a parking lot. We taught them how to ride. Even had my little girl Presley on the bike, man. It was a good time. Anyway, enough with my rambling, dude. I'm going to share that video with you now. Do me a favor, stick around to the very end because this video does have a message to it. An important message. Right? Henry comes to the channel with some wisdom. So when he talks, we listen. That's important. Alright, guys. Yeah. Here we go. Watch. Henry, you're on the old shitbox edition GSXR. You've supported this channel for so long, this bike wouldn't exist if it wasn't for you. You've kept it on the road for years. Now you're out riding it. You think you're comfortable on it?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna see.
Dave, let me talk to you for a minute. You've been a part of the channel for a long time. Big supporter.
Big supporter, man.
You guys make it happen for me, that is for sure. You've never ridden a bike like this before. I'm super proud, man. I'm so proud.
Dude, this feels great. This is an awesome bike. Really awesome bike.
You can take it home with you if you want.
See, I'm taking it home, man. Sorry.
She's active.
Active.
Pulling the clutch, hit the button. It'll fire right up. They're doing good, right, Presley? Good job, David. I'm having a lot of fun watching this happen.
Really?
I feel like you're going to go out and buy a bike. You did really well. Really good.
I can do this all day. No wonder you guys are hooked.
But in real life, like maybe you don't have a lot of safety margin. There's only one 4-foot path that's a safe zone. So you need to be able to brake, evaluate, swerve, put the bike where you want it to go, and then brake again.
Oh, you want to go? Oh, man.
You guys got this. Try it again, you got it.
It doesn't have to be pretty. Stop, left foot, right foot, and then evaluate your situation, and then you're safe.
Right.
He's on an H2. So that's the fastest production bike ever made.
This one right here in the world. Wow.
Oh, Ryan.
How's it going, brother?
Oh my God. Good to see you, dude. Henry, David, and you know Z and Scott.
Hey, how's it going, guys? This is the fastest bike?
All right. You remember where the brakes are? Yeah. No showing off, okay? You did so good. Do you have fun? You want to still ride? You can still ride. You want to ride later? Okay, turn it off.
Perfect.
All right, Scotty. Thanks for coming out, sir.
Yeah, 1 second.
Wait, COVID.
Today was a lesson for me, and Scott taught me a lot today.
You did so
Did
good.
really good.
And he's got some pointers. Tell us now, some things that we should watch out for on the road.
What's the #1 cause of all accidents, do you think?
The car's turning left in front of you.
That's an important thing. You talk about expectation. When you're driving, you have to be defensive. You can't just assume people
Yeah, and
know you're there.
expect the unexpected too.
Most often, the cause of the accident is a combination of two factors. One is another motorist making an unsafe lane change, an unsafe left turn,
So it's left turns.
and lane change. And the other one is speeding.
Speeding.
Bikers tend to speed. They think, hey, I'm the king of the road. I'm beyond anything, and everyone's going to watch out for me. And the combination of these two result in this really catastrophic
Sure.
injuries, accidents, crashes, all that stuff. It's really bad.
We've made a lot of videos in the past. We've done a lot of fun stuff. Everything from riding motorcycles to just torturing each other. I'll put a list of all those videos for everybody to come back and watch because you've given so much good advice. There's a lot of people out there that still aren't aware of the proper steps to take when they get into an accident or find themselves in some sort of trouble. They're still calling the insurance companies on their own. Give me some common mistakes that people are still making.
It's the same message over and over again. First thing, and what I see around here is this GoPro.
Everybody needs a GoPro. Document.
Number two, get into your heads, what is insurance all about?
Yeah.
And there's two parts. Liability, if you cause a crash, an accident, then you're protected. If someone sues you, you cause an injury.
Yeah.
And the other part is you protect yourself. Now, with bikers, their crashes are serious. You have serious injuries. And most people don't understand California only requires minimum policy, $15,000.
Yeah.
So you get in a crash, you go to the hospital, the bill's $22,000, $30,000 already.
You're on the hook.
You're on the hook. So if you're expecting the other drivers to have a policy that covers your injuries, forget it.
Yeah.
So to protect yourself, and I keep saying this over and over again, get a policy that has high uninsured motorists.
What would you? What would?
At least 100,000.
100,000 uninsured.
Right, to protect
Yeah.
yourself in case the other motorist has a minimum policy or no policy at all.
So you're still dealing with a lot of people that are underinsured.
All the time.
Jeez.
And you get
And
into serious crashes and there's just not enough money in the policy.
And it's only a couple extra dollars a month for you to be insured like that. It's a
Keep talking on that
no-brainer.
point because it's really critical for all you bikers out there.
Yeah.
Protect yourself. You don't know, all these motorists do crazy stuff. Don't expect them to obey the laws. You obey the law, but if something happens, hopefully you have some protection.
Well, Henry, I hope you come back out and, you know, we'll go out, we'll ride. You have access to my motorcycle. You have anything that I have, you have access to.
Great time as usual. It's always great to catch up with you. Hey,
COVID.
good seeing you. This is like a family. We get together every now and then.
I love
as
it.
we can.
Yeah.
I just
You're
wanna-
very important to me, my channel, my family, my friends. You're a good dude. You're one of the good ones. Everyone that watches my videos and that supports my channel, I really feel that you're a friend to them. You're there. So I encourage you guys. Anyone watching the channel, call Henry. Ask him questions. He's there for you.
I am. I'm always there for you guys.
Incident.
Presley, pick your nose.
Don't do that. Why did you try to do
Oh, it says shitbox edition on it.
Is it the feel? What is it?
You know, you're not going to grow out of a 500cc motorcycle for a couple years versus starting on something that's a bad influence for you right away. It's a wrong tool for the wrong job.